5 key components that every photography website needs. Step 1, a homepage. Making sure you map out your vision, mission, and purpose on your homepage is critical for your audience and community to understand who you are and what you do from the start. Number 2, an about page. Talking to people about where you're at, where you're from, and where you're going is going to show people your backstory and give them context to the work you create and services you provide. Step 3, portfolio. Only show your best work. When you do this, it lets people see what you're known for. And what makes you memorable is what's going to make you stand out. For me, this was macro photography and headshots. Step 4, a case studies page. Having specific case studies or projects packaged out in a summary format is wonderful for letting visitors understand the beginning to end process for different projects that you've worked on. You can make the case studies downloadable and make them a lead magnet for generating new email leads. You can make it an open source clickable experience. You could even make a video walking through a case study slide by slide so people feel like they're sitting right there with you. Case studies give people the deeper details. And step 5, a contact page. Having a contact page is critical as a photographer and visual storyteller. People that need to get a hold of you need to do so quickly. If you make a contact page complicated, don't expect a call. Instead, keep your contact page simple with a clean professional headshot, your basic contact information, and a direct way to reach you. That way, people that want to hire you for the job can be in touch easiest. Let's recap. Here are 5 core components that every photography website needs. 1, a homepage that maps out who you are, what you do, and who you help. 2, an about page, talking to people about your origin story, where you're at now, and where you're going next. 3, a portfolio page that shows your beautiful and best work. 4, a case study page that maps out specific beginning to end journeys for different projects that you want to champion. And 5, a contact page that makes it simple and efficient to get a hold of you when it's time to hire you for the job. Thanks so much for watching this video. That's it for this time. If you found it helpful, leave a like and comment below, and be sure to subscribe if you're interested in learning more things like this. Talk to you soon. Stay curious.